Hi friends, again welcome back to Link's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to make natural cleaner for your home and is also known as orange peel vinegar cleaner. Let's start to see the recipe of this cleaner. In the first step you take the fresh ripe orange and peel the orange either by hand with a knife or whatever method you like the best. And you don't forget to eat the inside part of the orange. Now the orange peels are ready. And this is the time for preparing the orange peel for making the cleaner. Now you just cut the orange peel into small pieces. Now it's ready. We are going to the next step. In this step, you get one glass jar to put the peels in. Now you completely place the orange peel inside the container. After we are going to adding the second ingredient as synthetic vinegar. You already heard about that the vinegar is a good product for cleaning purpose. Take the vinegar solution and add about 500 ml of vinegar into the container. After pouring the vinegar solution, you need to close the container very tightly and need to store in a refrigerator. And you store this solution about 1 week. It's a minimum date for storing this solution. After 1 week, the solution is get ready. Now we are going to filtering this solution. After the successful filtering, we are going to diluting this solution. Now take 500 ml of water and 1 glass of the cleaning solution. Look at the great orange color and the smell is great. And this is the time for clean the households.